Why build Linux software from source code? Have you ever wondered why some people prefer to build Linux software from source code instead of using precompiled packages? It's a fascinating topic that can really enhance your experience with Linux. Let's break it down. Building software from source code means you download the original code and compile it into a format your system can run. This method has some clear advantages over simply installing software through a package manager. First off, when you build from source, you often get access to the latest versions of software. Package managers usually offer stable versions, but they can be a bit outdated. If you want the newest features or fixes, compiling from source is the way to go. This is particularly helpful for those who want to stay on the cutting edge of software development. Another benefit is that software built from source can be optimized for your specific hardware. When you compile the code on your own machine, the compiler can adjust the program to fit your processor and system setup. This can lead to better performance compared to generic binaries that are made to work on many different systems. Customization is another big reason to build from source. You can choose which features and dependencies to include during the compilation process. This means you can create a lean installation that only has the components you actually need. Not only does this save disk space, but it can also reduce the resources the software uses while running. Building software from source also helps you understand how it works and interacts with your system. When you compile software, you learn about build tools, dependencies, and system libraries. This knowledge can be really useful for troubleshooting issues or even for software development. Now, let's talk about how to do this through the Linux command line. The process usually starts with downloading the source code. Then, you run configuration scripts that detect your system specifics. After that, you compile the code using tools like the new compiler collection and make. This is different from using package managers, where you might just type a simple command to install software. However, building from source does come with some challenges. It can take time, and you will need to manage dependencies by yourself. This can be a bit overwhelming for those who are new to Linux. Package managers make installation and updates easier, ensuring you get compatibility and security patches without much hassle. In summary, building Linux software from source is a flexible option for those who want the latest versions, optimized builds, or more control over their system. It complements the convenience of package managers by offering a more tailored approach to software installation.